In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a time off request in Connecteam. If you're an admin in Connecteam, you can manage time off requests directly from the dashboard. This includes removing pending requests or reversing approved ones by rejecting them. The exact path depends on whether the request is still waiting for approval or has already been approved, so I'll walk you through both situations clearly. Start by opening the Connecteam Launchpad. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the time off feature. This is where all time off requests are organized, and it's the main place you'll use to review, approve, reject, or remove requests. If the request has already been approved, go into the Approved Time Off tab. From there, find the relevant policy so you can narrow down the list and locate the request you need. After you've found the correct employee, click on the employee's name to open their time off requests in more detail. This gives you access to the specific request record rather than just the summary view. Next, look for the three-dot menu beside the approval status. Click that menu to open the available actions, then choose Reject. In Connecteam, rejecting an approved request is the way to effectively remove it from its approved state. So this is the option you'll use when you need to undo a previously accepted request. If the request is still pending, the process is a little simpler. Locate the pending notification or find the request in the pending area, then click into the request itself. From there, you can reject or delete it, depending on the options available in your account view. Since the request hasn't been finalized yet, this is usually the quickest type to remove. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to double check that you're working on the correct employee and the correct dates before making changes. That helps avoid removing the wrong request, especially if multiple time off submissions look similar. And that's all there is to it. Open Connecteam, go to Time Off from the left sidebar, then either reject an approved request from the Approved Time Off tab, or open a pending request and reject or delete it there. Once you know where to look, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment.